In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix marketplace option is not showing on Facebook in just few steps. So let's dive right in. So it's very simple process. From home page, if you open this Facebook, you can see here marketplace option is not showing. So to enable it, from home page, click on these three lines on right top side. And here, if you scroll down, you'll find here this settings and privacy. You have to open it. Here you'll find this settings, open it. And then you will be on this settings and privacy. If you scroll down, you'll find here this navigation bar. Or you can also search from right top side. I will open this navigation bar and then it will give you these two options. Customize the bar or manage notification dots. You have to open this first one and here it will show you this shortcuts bar and available shortcuts. You'll find here this marketplace option which will be on auto. If you open it, from here you can change auto to pin. If I change it, then you will find this notification marketplace pinned. If you click back, it will start showing this marketplace option. You can see here. So that's how you can fix marketplace option is not showing on Facebook in just few steps.